Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will talk about the system requirements of game Tekken 7. So watch complete video, let's get started. Let's take a look at Windows first. You need Windows 7, 8 or 10 with 68-bit OS required. Let's take a look at processor. You need Intel Core i5 3.5 GHz or equivalent. Now talk about memory. You need minimum 8 GB RAM. Look at graphics. You need NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 equivalent or higher. You need version 11 with broadband internet connection. Now take a look on storage. You need minimum 60 GB available space for gaming. Now take a look on sound card. You need compatible sound card or onboard chipset. If you want to watch more videos on gaming, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.